Do you think you know China? Here are 15 facts that might change your view. From ancient treasures to modern wonders, get ready to explore this incredible country. Number 15. Multilingual nation. China is a language wonderland full of variety. While everyone knows Mandarin, it's only the beginning. Hundreds of dialects and languages fill the air, each one totally different and full of character. Take Cantonese in Guangzhou. It's loud, fun, and matches the city's non-stop energy perfectly. Then there's Shanghainese in Shanghai, smooth and stylish, like the modern skyscrapers above. Hakka, spoken by strong people with a history of moving around, carries stories of toughness and survival. It's like China is one big family party where everyone talks in their own special way, sharing stories of the past and present. How amazing is it that one country can have so many voices buzzing around? It's a total celebration of China's wild, colorful history. Number 14. Culinary wonderland. China's food scene is a mouth-watering explosion of flavor. Every corner of this huge country has its own delicious tricks up its sleeve. Sichuan dishes hit you with spicy heat that makes your tongue tingle and your heart race. Cantonese food brings sweet, light tastes with tiny dim sum treats that look like bite-sized masterpieces. Beijing's warm, hearty noodles wrap you up like a cozy blanket on a cold day, while Shanghai's juicy soup dumplings burst with flavor in your mouth like little food fireworks. Eating here isn't just about getting full. It's a thrilling trip through China's past and genius ideas. With so much land and creativity, the food options never end. It's a tasty party that keeps you coming back for more. China's a food lover's dream come true. Number 13. Expat lifestyle perks. Living in China as an expat is like hitting the jackpot. With just $4,000 a month, you're living large compared to back home in the West. Everything costs way less, so your cash goes further, letting you enjoy life to the max. You can eat out at cute little restaurants every night without sweating the bill. Rent a big, comfy apartment in a buzzing city, and still have plenty left for weekend trips to ancient temples or shiny new hotspots. It's not just about saving, it's about diving into awesome experiences like learning Chinese or kicking it at kung fu classes. Life here feels like a big adventure, full of real Chinese vibes and endless fun. Who wouldn't want to jump in and live it up? Number 12. Rising life expectancy. China's life expectancy jump is unreal. Back in 1949, people only lived to about 44 years old. Crazy, right? Now, they're rocking past 76. That's a massive leap that shows how far this country has come in such a short time. It's not just extra years. It's better, healthier lives for everyone. Doctors are top-notch, food is more plentiful, and clean water flows like never before. China fought hard to kick diseases to the curb and make living conditions awesome for millions. Other countries dream of this, but China pulled it off lightning fast. It's a huge, inspiring win that proves this nation knows how to take care of its people like champs. Number 11. Affordable urban living. City life in China is a total steal. Compared to the US, living in Chinese cities costs about 45% less. Yes, you heard that right. Rent's cheap. Buses and trains won't drain your wallet. And eating out is a blast without the big price tag. You get all the city perks, busy streets, cool sights, and tons of stuff to do, without stressing over money. Live well, stash some cash, and still have fun every single day. It's like getting the best of both worlds, making every moment feel like a party. China's cities let you enjoy the good life without the headache. How awesome is that? Number 10. Rapid urbanization. China's city boom is like a blockbuster movie. In just a few decades, millions ditched farm life for the bright lights of places like Shanghai and Beijing, chasing better jobs and big dreams. This rush turned China into a powerhouse with skyscrapers popping up, factories humming, and businesses taking off left and right. It's all about people betting on a brighter future and making it happen fast. Sure, cities grow everywhere, but China's speed and size are next-level insane. Quiet fields turned into loud, lively urban playgrounds practically overnight. It's a dazzling story of hustle and heart that's still unfolding. Number 9. Modern infrastructure marvels. China's infrastructure is straight-up mind-blowing. They've built lightning-fast bullet trains that zip you between cities in no time flat. hours, not days. Then there's the Great City in Chengdu, where shops, schools, and parks are all a quick walk away, like living in a perfect little world. These aren't just handy. They're jaw-dropping feats of engineering that scream creativity and guts. Skyscrapers soar into the clouds, bridges stretch across rivers like giants, and new cities rise up ready for tomorrow. It's China saying, "We build big and we build fast." A dazzling show of what humans can do when they dream huge. Number 8. The Great Wall's splendor. The Great Wall of China is an absolute beast. It stretches over 21,000 kilometers, longer than a round trip from New York to Sydney. This massive stone snake twists through mountains and plains, built way back to keep enemies out. Now, it's a global superstar, drawing visitors who can't believe their eyes. Those old stones whisper tales of soldiers and workers who poured their hearts into it ages ago. It's not just a wall. It's China's history standing tall and proud. Step on it, and you feel the past come alive. It's a wonder that keeps wowing the world. Number 7. Middle class explosion. China's middle class is taking over in a big way. Over 500 million people now have extra cash to splash, and it's flipping the country upside down. Families who used to scrape by are snapping up cars, gadgets, and plane tickets for vacations they never dreamed of. From city malls to small-town shops, they're spending and living larger every day. It's so huge that companies worldwide are racing to win them over. This isn't just money. It's a tidal wave of hope and change, showing how China turned tough times into a booming success story for the ages. Number 6. Manufacturing powerhouse. China rules the manufacturing game like a boss. Inside its buzzing factories, workers crank out phones, clothes, and toys faster than you can blink. It's not just stuff. It's a total makeover from farming fields to the world's go-to supply hub. Once all about rice, China now stocks every store on the planet with its goods. Each Made in China label screams hard work and clever ideas. These factories are the heartbeat of shopping everywhere, always pumping out more and pushing limits. China doesn't just make things, it powers the whole world's shelves. Number 5. High-speed rail leader. China's high-speed trains are pure magic. With over 26,000 kilometers of tracks, they tie the country together like a giant speedy web. Zoom from Beijing to Shanghai in under 5 hours, quicker than a plane with all the airport mess. It's like a rocket on rails built from bold plans and non-stop effort. This network's the biggest and fastest anywhere, shrinking long trips into short jaunts. Every ride's a thrill, connecting people and places like never before. China's trains aren't just transport. They're a full-on speed revolution. Number 4. Ancient and ultra-modern. China blends old and new like a pro. One minute, you're gawking at ancient temples. The next, you're surrounded by robots and blazing fast internet. It's not weird. It's totally cool how it all fits together. Silk making from way back hangs out with tech that's changing tomorrow. Cities mix old-school smarts with new-school breakthroughs, and it's a perfect combo. China's past fuels its future, keeping history alive while racing ahead. This mashup is why China's so special. It's got roots and wings all at once. Number 3. Philanthropic drive. China's sharing the love big time. With common prosperity, giants like Alibaba and Tencent are tossing billions into schools, hospitals, and help for folks who need it most. This isn't just nice. It's a mega push to make life fairer for everyone. The money's so huge it could change millions of lives overnight. Leaders are all in, sparking a giving vibe that's catching on fast. It's China shouting, "We've got this," showing the world how to spread success around. This generosity is a game changer, building a future where everyone gets a shot. Number 2. World's most populous nation. China's got 1.4 billion people, nearly 1/5 of everyone on Earth. It's not just a crowd, it's a powerhouse of energy and ideas. Streets hum with folks creating, building, and dreaming up stuff that spreads worldwide. Handling that many people is wild, but China turns it into pure strength. They're behind massive dams, tech breakthroughs, and more, all because so many hands pitch in. This giant crew makes China unstoppable, a living proof that teamwork makes the impossible happen. Number 1. Economic miracle. China's money story is unreal. Since 1978, its economy ballooned 10 times over, pulling 800 million people, more than Europe's total, out of poverty. It's not just riches, it's new chances for families to thrive with schools, doctors, and hope. Smart moves and grit turned a quiet nation into a global titan. Cities like Shanghai glow with towers and busy streets, all built from sweat and big dreams. This isn't just China's win, it's a worldwide wake-up call that hard work and guts can lift anyone up. What a legendary rise! Which fact intrigued you the most? Let us know in the comments below with its number. Thank you for watching.